Roeddwn wedi marw ym ystod tua 8 munud. O'n i wedi troi'n las ac o'n halon i wedi stopio. Yr unig gos gynnau ydy rhywun yn deithau agor yn llgada. Mi gerddais tuag at garage yn Llandudno i bigo'r car i fyny ar ôl cael service. Wrth fynd am y pedestrian crossing, ar yng ngolwg i fynd allan o ffocws braidd a fel edrych trwy letterbox. Llai na 2 eiliad wedyn, ath bob peth yn ddu.
It was like any other day. I was off duty. I was just driving down the high street and I noticed a gathering of people.
Realised the guy was having CPR done to him, so I literally joined in.
And I could notice straight away that Gwyn wasn't breathing, his lips were blue. I felt apprehensive that I needed to do something, but I knew I was doing the right thing, and then I began CPR.
Saving Gwyn's life means a lot to me. I'm also proud of how the community came together to save his life.
To have the ability to use my training and save somebody's life is it's extraordinary, and I'd recommend anybody to perform any sort of first aid training just to go and do it.
Mae beth ddigwyddodd wedi rhaid ffydd mawr i mi mewn pobl eraill, pobl diath.